Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we master the pronunciation of tricky words and its meanings. Today we're learning how to say a medical term that might be new to you, xerophthalmia. Let's break it down. This word is often mispronounced as xerophthalmia or xerophthalmia, but don't worry, I'll show you the right way to say it step by step. The correct pronunciation is xerophthalmia. First part, Z, like the letter Z'd. Second part, Roph, rhymes with off. Third part, Thal, sounds like tall. Last part, Me-a, as in me, and Altogether, it's xerophthalmia. Practice saying it with me. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me, xerophthalmia. Once more slowly, xerophthalmia. Now let's say it faster. Xerophthalmia. You've nailed it. Xerophthalmia is a medical condition that refers to dryness of the eyes, often caused by a severe deficiency of vitamin A. It's a serious condition that can lead to vision problems if left untreated. So, understanding this term can be really helpful, especially in healthcare contexts. Great job! Now you can confidently pronounce xerophthalmia and even know what it means. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with anyone who loves learning new words. Don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation tips and comment below with the word you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next video.